We have one. Maybe NBI director can explain about the circumstance beyond the arrest of the.
Engineer Dennis Abagon was arrested in Quezon City after a failed service in his known address in Cavite. He was arrested on a Sunday early morning at Sikatuna Village. Arrested with him were the stay-in helpers or a couple assisting him. We are into investigating. Reports were made that the house where he was arrested is allegedly owned by one vice mayor of Bansud, Oriental Mindoro. We are still verifying the authenticity of this information.
We have determined that he is the owner of the property. Ang didetermine namin kung ano ang nature ng kanyang stay sa lugar na yan. So until we determine kung he was renting or he was being hidden, wala pa kaming definite statement kung anong status ng kanyang investigation. Yung ginawa ng NBI is standard operating procedure talaga yan. If they refuse to open the door, then they have, the arrest warrant gives them the power to forcibly to break open the doors. Nasa kapangyarihan ng NBI yan at ng ating law enforcement agencies. Basta po kayo ay akusahan ng ombudsman at binigay na ang information sa Sandigan Bayan at labas ng warrant of arrest, kayo po ay kailangan masaklaw na sa ilalim ng jurisdiksyon ng batas. Binabalaan po namin na lahat ng gustong tumulong, lahat ng gustong tumulong itago ang mga ito ay may kaparusahan na katumbas hanggang sa kanilang ginagawa. Our best advice to all who have warrants of outstanding warrants of arrest against them, surrender as soon as possible. Surrender to the nearest authorities. Surrender to the nearest police station. If we go on a manhunt after you, we cannot guarantee the results. For the sake of your families, for the sake of the country, surrender immediately.